wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop outdoor heaters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The blue Rhino Northgate makes up 1/4 of the endless summer line of electric lamps, which plug directly into any standard grounded outlet and bring a touch of old world class to any patio without having to worry about any tanks or flames. It gives off a soft and pleasant illumination and has a maximum effective radius of about 5 feet. However, it's not quite as hot as most. At number 9, if it's absolutely frigid out but you're too busy to go inside and seek shelter, put the Dura Heat LP18 on the workbench and it'll feel like the sun is on your face. It draws from 2 individual LP bottles that pump out up to 18,000 BTUs, blowing away the competition. It's perfect for emergency situations and includes an extension for 20-pound tanks, but it isn't exactly aesthetically pleasing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the pyramid-styled AZ Patio Quartz warms up brisk nights in the backyard by sending mesmerizing flames up through the middle of a glass cylinder for about an hour on a 1-pound LP gas bottle, but double-check that the tube is properly installed in order to prevent disaster. It comes in bronze or stainless steel with a 1-year warranty against defects, which is good because it tends to break pretty easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if your table's deep in the woods, put the Mr. Heater Hunting Buddy on it and prepare to defrost your hands after a long cold day. It's so powerful that it can even serve as a makeshift grill. Just ensure that you have great ventilation if you use it in a tent or cabin. It runs on a bottle or a tank and shuts off if low oxygen is detected, but it works poorly above a 7,000-foot elevation. Moving up our list to number 6. The inverse of most options we found, the Ener-G Plus freestanding consists of an infrared radiator underneath a tempered glass pane, resulting in a tabletop that's warm but not hot to the touch, and it may even inspire you to do away with your old furniture entirely. It sports a stylish and modern appearance and is rated IP24 water and dust resistant. However, watch your feet when sitting nearby. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Endless Summer Fireplace is an effective propane-driven appliance that adds an elegant touch to any outdoor space. It heats a pile of fireglass rocks, which in turn radiate heat in every direction, including to the base, so don't touch it and burn yourself. Its control panel is hidden from sight, and it can also be placed on the ground, which is handy because it's a bit large for some tables. At number 4, it doesn't get much simpler than the Real Hot Pot, a dense clay vessel that's basically just a high-temp flower pot. It uses almost anything you want for fuel, such as wood pellets, gel canisters, or even votive candles. But look out, it gets deceptively hot to the touch. It's surprisingly effective, and if you add a grate, you can use it as a grill. However, it takes a long time to cool down. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 28-inch Two Harbors fire pit is a great centerpiece for a group of friends huddled on a chilly evening. It works best on top of an umbrella hole to accommodate its fuel intake, and it spews flame several inches high, so make certain it's nowhere near anything flammable. Its electric ignition makes startup easy, and it uses a 20-pound propane tank. A 14-inch model is also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the AZ Patio Electric is awfully similar to a standard table lamp, except its bulb pulls a whopping 1500 watts in order to keep you warm without burning any fuel, making it considerably safe with no carbon monoxide risks or touchy pressurized gases. There's no finicky lighting process either, and it puts out an inviting ambient light. It's cheaper to run than gas-powered ones too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Napoleon Skyfire is essentially a miniature version of the most popular outdoor space heater ever made. It's probably the most effective option, but do your best to use it on a flat level surface because it's slightly top-heavy. It's made of durable stainless steel and shuts off if tipped over. It can use 20-pound tanks with an adapter. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video.